welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have the new release from the Greeting Farm to share with you guys. I love their Anya sets, and they have a new one this month. Miss Anya, bless you. So we've got two cuties. We've got this little girl here with her hands up in the air, holding her little flower bandana there. And then she's got a shawl on and a dress, and she looks perfectly dressed for Easter, spring. We've got this girl here holding a bouquet of flowers, perfect for a Mother's Day card maybe, or thinking of you. We've got the sentiment, thinking of you, bless you, enjoy today, and thank you so much. So very, very nice stamp set. I love the Miss Anyas. And I did bring back this one. This one I've ordered, I think, 3 times already, maybe 4. This is Miss Anya Buckles. This is very popular, and it's super cute because she's got little boots on and they all have buckles. Very cute, dressed little characters there. And then the sentiment, hey. So that's back in stock. We've got Cheeky Howdy 2. So this is from their Cheeky collection. We've got the sentiments here, howdy, and then we've got sugar, and then 2 stars. She's wearing a cowboy hat. She's got cowboy boots on, cute hair. We've got the bouquet, so we've got bonjour, merci, and then these pretty flowers. And then their large die, it's a congrats. So we've got it in, congrats, like that. So it'll fit nice on your card. So I'll have the link down below to the Greeting Farm section in the shop, and you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. Thanks guys for stopping by, and I'll have a new video for you real soon. Bye guys!